video. In today's video, the title's going to be You Give Rise to Matter. Your spirit gives rise to matter, not the other way around. Stay tuned. Okay, so welcome back, guys. So spirit gives rise to matter, not the other way around. First of all, what is spirit? Spirit is your soul. It's your life force. It's God consciousness. It's universal consciousness. It's your limitless power. It's your divine birthright. It's your energy. It's your bright light. So you matter, and you're the one who created the matter around you. Now, what is matter, guys? Matter is the things that you see with your physical five senses. Matter is made up of subatomic particles rearranged in different combinations, giving rise to all the objects that you perceive with your five senses, like your table, your chair, your house, your car, your job, your keys, you name it.
Oh, I love that, Kashmir. That's a really good explanation of matter.
Nothing exists without you. You're the one who gave birth to universes. You're the one who gives birth to your own world. You're the one who creates your reality out of thin air. Because everything is just space and subatomic particles, and it's being rearranged by the observer effect, which is something Minil will go through very soon in this video. So nothing is chaotic, nothing is random. Physicists would just exclude the spirit and say that matter just exists. Now, this is the Newtonian way of thinking. The other way, which is the truthful way, which is how it really works, is the quantum way. Newtonian way is linear. Time and space exists in the Newtonian world. Here is matter, here you are, and there is no connection whatsoever between the two. They're two separate things. No, it was your spirit that gave rise to the matter. We're the ones who created the matter into existence from the quantum field, because we created in the quantum.
So the unseen became seen.
Yes.
So what was first in your mind when you connected and invisible, then manifested in physical form.
In the visible realm for your five limited senses to finally now perceive.
So what is the observer effect? Well, the observer effect is that nothing exists in this universe without our observation of it.
Yes.
So just imagine you close your eyes. Okay, does the table in front of you exist anymore? No, it's not there. You could take it a step further. If you lost all your five senses, so your sight, your smell, what you can hear, what you can feel, and what you can taste, you lost all those physical senses, that table would no longer exist. In fact, nothing would exist around you. Think about it. Think about it. Can you block all those senses? It's very difficult to, because even if you try and block your ears and your nose and your eyes, you'll still be able to taste, and you'll still be able to touch and feel, unless you've completely lost the sensation in your fingers and in your entire body. So then nothing would exist, but you would also not exist, because that's it. In order for something to exist, you have to be observing it, right? So when you look at an atom, everything in the world is made out of atoms, okay? Within an atom, you've got a nucleus and you've got electrons around the nucleus. Now, physicists thought that electrons were the smallest particle in the entire world. But this is what happened. When they looked at the electron particle, they realized even that isn't a particle. It's just energy vibrating at a particular frequency. And the only reason that we see the electron as a particle is because we're observing it. Now, this is so interesting, meaning our observation of something is somehow affecting the energy vibration of that electron, so that it slows down, so that we can actually see it as a particle. We're affecting it in some way or another. So this is how we are actually creating our reality. We're affecting energy in such a way that it becomes more of a particle, and then it actually manifests into an event or a situation or a thing. So if you really look at an atom in the quantum world, the atom looks like nothing. It's just blank, right? There's nothingness in there. But actually, when you observe the atom, that's when you can start to see the electrons appearing and disappearing in various different places. It looks very random. It just appears and disappears. So we are actually affecting our world just by observing it. This may be a difficult concept to grasp, but there are books explaining that in a little bit more detail, and probably a bit more better than I can do it.
Yes.
If I was a quantum physicist, I'd probably be able to explain it really well, perfectly. But that's basically the basics, the very basics of the observer effect. And so what we observe and what we see in the thoughts that we have, which are energy that we send out into the universe, is affecting
physical matter.
Physical matter, that's it. And it wouldn't do that if we didn't have that. So the fact that we are thinking and we are sending out a signal out in the universe, we are affecting things around us. So I want you to realize how powerful you are. And this is a reminder for us that we are powerful beings. We are creators of our reality. And if we want to activate Sukha, then we can really do this because we are creators of everything, external and in the internal world.
And the quantum physics just explains exactly how the law of attraction is being activated, how you actually manifest physical things that you desire into the universe. Quantum physics explains this. So knowing and understanding the steps as to how it works actually makes you believe in it better, therefore increases your vibration, therefore makes you realize that you really are limitless, and like all these gurus and teachers and spiritual and personal development books are telling you, because you finally grasp it and get the cognitions yourself to make you realize this stuff is true. And then you do start creating and just do it, and you just put it into action. You start thinking about the things you want. You start activating that Sukha because you understand how important it is to feel good now.
And what's feeling good now got to do with actually creating your reality?
It's got everything to do with creating a reality.
Everything.
It's the basis and the foundation of all that is. If you're not feeling good, you're just beating the drum on what you don't want. You're just bringing it into your reality.
Yeah, we've done plenty of videos of why feeling good is important. We're going to continue to talk about that and continue to also deliver similar messages, because sometimes we all need to hear it a good few times for it to really get into our cells and into our DNA, so that we have this knowingness that we are so much more than what we see with our five senses. It's very limited. So that's all I want to add. Is there anything else you want to say, Kashmir?
No, thank you. I hope that was a cute little inspiration for you. Hit the subscribe button to stay tuned for more videos, and hit the like button, and we shall see you on the next video. Bye for now.